Time to shake it up. This little mess right here hasn't grown any kind of wildflowers in about 6 months. The package says that lavender grows from 72 to some 90 inches, so I'm going to plant the seeds really, really deep. So I'm going to repurpose it. That's why I kept the bottom of the dirt. Here it's pretty barren, so maybe it'll grow there. See you back in about 2 months and we'll check on the wildflowers. All right, Hippie Kid out. See you soon for another fun, sustainable idea.